There is a question from Ernest. Please, which stage do VisaScreen needed? Hammond, Mike, when do when does a nurse need the VisaScreen?
Yeah, from a legal perspective, you need the VisaScreen at the time of your interview at the consulate. As a practical matter, it's going to vary a little bit from facility to facility as to when they want you to maybe not have the VisaScreen in hand, but have the English test already passed. And some are going to want that before they're going to file your I-140. Others are not. But from a legal perspective, the VisaScreen is referred to as an entry or an admission document, which means you need it at the time of the interview and obviously at the time of the entry.
Okay, so there you go, Ernest. And one thing just to mention, remember, if you are not trained in English, in order to get the VisaScreen, you need to have passed an English exam. On the 1st of August, the CGFNS changed their ruling, and they have now added additional English proficiency exams that you can take if you need to take the English in order to get the VisaScreen. Please check out shows again on that topic, because that gives nurses more choices of the different English tests that are available and accepted by the CGFNS.